Stop. If you're thinking about buying SiteClone AI, there's something you need to know first. SiteClone AI claims it can clone, migrate, customize and host complete websites in under 60 seconds. No coding, no designers, no expensive developers. But here's the real question. Can you really sell cloned websites on Fiverr, Upwork, or Flippa for hundreds of dollars? I'll show you exactly what's inside, who should buy it, who probably shouldn't, the pros and cons. And if you decide to grab SiteClone AI through my link, you'll get 2 exclusive bonuses worth over $500. Let's find out. What is SiteClone AI? SiteClone AI is a cloud-based platform for freelancers, marketers and business owners. Instead of building from scratch, you can import a site via URL, recreate its structure, customize with drag and drop, generate AI content and publish in minutes. Hosting, SEO tools, backups and analytics are all included. Benefits: why people are interested. SiteClone AI stands out for speed, simplicity and all-in-one convenience. Fast cloning. Build or migrate sites in minutes. No coding. Easy drag and drop editor. Freelancer ready. Commercial license lets you sell services. All-in-one tools. Hosting, SEO, backups, security and AI content in one dashboard. Beginner-friendly. Simplifies the learning curve by replacing multiple plugins and subscriptions. Inside, what you get. SiteClone AI gives you a full website creation and management platform with fast cloning. Import any site via URL. Drag and drop editor, no coding required. iTools. Content generator plus copywriter. Templates and themes. 1,000 plus templates, 500 plus designs. Hosting and domains. Unlimited cloud hosting, domains, SSL. SEO and analytics. Built-in optimization and tracking. Marketing features, lead forms, pop-ups, CTAs, social integrations. Support and training. AI live chat, tutorials, 30-day refund. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros. Easy to use, beginner-friendly, no coding. Fast cloning, quick migration workflow. iTools. Content plus copywriting built in. All-in-one. Hosting, templates, SEO, marketing features. Affordable. One-time payment plus 30-day refund. Commercial license. Build and sell client sites. Cons. Customization needed. Sites must be made unique. Authorization required. Clone only sites you own, have rights to. Effort required. Success depends on finding clients and delivering quality work. It is not a money machine. Results. What to expect. If you're already creating websites for clients, SiteClone AI could help reduce the amount of manual work involved and potentially allow you to complete projects faster. But success still depends on consistent effort and solid business practices. Now let's talk about my bonuses. Bonus 1. AI Web Agency Client Acquisition Kit, value, $297. 50 proven Fiverr gig templates, Upwork proposals, outreach scripts, pricing calculator, proposals, follow-ups, closing scripts. Helps you land projects fast. Bonus 2. 100 high-converting website prompt vault, value, $247. 100 plus ready-to-use website ideas in niches like local business, real estate, fitness, e-commerce, SaaS, agencies and more. Just copy, customize and build. Total bonus value, $544 plus yours free when you purchase SiteClone AI through my link in the description. So, is SiteClone AI actually worth buying? If you want faster website creation, easy migrations and an all-in-one platform with hosting, AI tools, templates and SEO, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. If you decide to get SiteClone AI, make sure you purchase it through the first link in the description so you can claim my exclusive bonus package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.